2017 Nissan Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat-loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, power passenger seat, backup camera, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.